Give our friend your best.
No. For you, my friend, only the best.
Speak up.
Oh, yes. Oh, wonderful times. Now you look like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line.
Okay.
Come on in, rookie.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard, get it into the groove. So pay attention and do us proud.
Yes. Now we'll have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Who must you will want the show? Drag me ready to one.
Show me what you got, kid. Hold tight around the turn. Pour it on. Look at that. Going great, kid. Going great. Hot not. You won. I knew you had it in your head. Congratulations.
We won because
Great race, everybody. I'm ready for all the world.
Now listen, when your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings